1, 2, 3, let's go. Rolls for a truck, but my winners ain't tinted. Trap house jumping like a winner's or a dentist. He ain't stopping shit, I decide when I finish. Race sad judge, oh, she a bad bitch, eat the
like,
pussy like a
subscribe,
spinach.
boy.
She a dick on the way to the dentist. I ain't never
Donnie on 22s, man, you know what I'm saying? Last night was a movie, but today we got some more stuff coming for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? We about to go to another car meet tonight. We finna show out, just like we did last night. Give everybody a show that they want, like they need, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy, because it's Mopar or no car, baby. Till the day I D.I.E., baby, gang. They right here. These ain't gonna look like that no more, I tell you that. They're not gonna look like that no more. I'll put these bad boys in the trunk right now for later, you know what I'm saying? These is finna get toasted up. Got the diffuser out, you know what I'm saying? Got the nice little aftermarket diffuser right there. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, nigga, I don't care. Okay, so we at the gas station right now. Everybody getting ready to roll out, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Got cars behind us too.
Let's go. Yeah, we pulling up, man. You already know, niggas is going crazy already.
Oh, shit!
I think we'd be better on the Alright, cool.
But what's happened? Tell me what's happened.
We finna move to another spot because this shit hot over here. Get my
So we leaving right now. Going second spot.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
It's the get back game, baby. Yeah.
What's gonna happen?
Alright, so niggas is about to race. Come on, let's go. What did the cops come? This nigga should be gun. Nigga, this just wait, right here. I swear to God. Get out the way. That nigga just Damn, I think the Subi took that one, nigga.
What happened?
The boys came.
The boys came
Boys
second time.
Boys came.
Oh,
Location,
man.
baby. We out. We out.
New look.
We out.
We out. Boys came out second time in a row.
Let's go. You already know what's going on, man. We about to get this race about to get on right now. Civic just tearing shit up tonight. Damn, he's still going too. He said he was ready to go. Oh, he's doing it. Look
He's
at
doing
him.
it. He's doing it.
Hey, yo.
Yes, yo.
Yeah.
Yes, yo. Fuck this shit, man. Woo! Fuck, yo. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Let's go, baby. Yeah, man. Y'all see where we at. Y'all see where we at.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Yeah. Heavy power. Oh, there you go. Yeah, put it right here. Put it right here. Right here. Put the initial right there. Stamp that shit. And just so y'all know I'm not bullshitting, look at the track. Come show him. Right back here. Show him right back here.
Yeah.
Pour them things up, you feel me? That's straight Mopar right there, baby. Straight Mopar. Yeah, just like that, y'all.
Yeah.
And we getting lit. You know what I'm saying? Got the SRT things right there. You'll see more of it tomorrow. That was just a little something. Bye.
Got me stuck inside your love cycle. I read your love Bible. We give the hood guidance. We keep the hood